Hi everyone, Xiaomi just dropped the global version of the Smart Band 7. In this quick intro video, we're gonna set the device up together and have a quick look at what new feature it brings. So I'm just setting it up with my Xiaomi 12 device here. You can see the screen is still AMOLED and it's a bit bigger. Here's kind of an introduction of the setup. Alerts when blood oxygen goes low, that's a new feature. And record activity and track your progress. So now we're done. Let's get a quick look of the device. Big AMOLED screen. Swipe up for your apps or your icons. Notification tray. Your widgets. Battery life is 14 days, and now it supports up to 100 or actually more than 100 sport activities. This is the standard black band, but it comes also in a variety of colors, or you can actually order the band separately and change the color of your fitness band. Charging is done via the magnetic charger, same as the 6 series. That's good, we still have that. Quick look of the new Mi Band 7 Global Edition. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in another video.